Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today's topic deals with a parenting plan. What should you include in your parenting plan? First, let's begin by describing what a parenting plan is. A parenting plan is simply a custody plan that is agreed upon by both parents, and it sets out how you and your ex will continue to care and provide for your child after the divorce or the separation. Because a parenting plan will set forth the frequency and the manner in which you and your ex will be dividing the time with your child, it's really important to include as much information as possible to avoid future miscommunications and to ensure consistency and predictability for everybody involved. Some things that you should consider included in your plan are these: the designation of legal and physical custody. How will you divide who will have physical, who will have primary custody, who will have legal custody? You need to delineate that very, very specifically and clearly. Another thing you might want to consider including in your parenting plan is your daily parenting division of time. Have a clear set schedule. Decide when and where the exchanges will occur with your child. Holiday schedules, visitation schedules. Again, be very specific as to these, and also include things as who will pay for the travel back and forth. How far in advance do you need to get notice or give notice to the other parent before a holiday or visitation schedule takes place? How will you divide the time between you and your ex for the child's birthday? How will you share the birthday? Who will have, 1 year maybe one parent will have the birthday, the next year the other parent, or maybe you want to split the birthdays in half of the same day. Another thing is communication with your child when the other parent has custody of the child. Have a set phone time. Generally, for my clients, they like to set a time before the child's bedtime so they can speak to the child and say goodnight and see how their day was. Also decide if you're going to have communications via phone or maybe Skype or maybe FaceTime. And also include in your plan your right and your spouse's right to information from the child's schooling and from doctors. And how will you decide to make changes to this plan if necessary for the future? Please put that in there as well, as that becomes a big issue later on. The two most important things that I want you to remember when doing a parenting plan is that to remember that to be as specific as possible when you make the plan. You don't want any chances of miscommunication, misrepresentations, and any future chances of having to return to court because you were not clear on a certain issue. And the most important thing is just to keep in mind that this is for your child. So keep your child's best interest at the forefront of any decisions that you make with your ex in regards to this parenting plan. If you have further questions, any questions about this topic or any family law topic, please do not hesitate. Go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com and I will be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. And as always, I thank you for watching and I will see you next time.